Monday, the 27th of May, 2024, about 9:27 in the morning. Read that sign. Tell you where we're at. That map. We'll go look at some of these places. Alright, so read this sign. And you'll see this is a replica of that original Jerisuik, maybe Seaweek cabin. Not sure you pronounce that. Circa 1805. This is it, with some people standing there looking at the chimney. I don't know who they are, but you know, we'll figure it out. Look at that big thick chinking on that. And there's the door. It's locked up, of course. It's got a window. That's the end of it. And you see we can't walk through here. They got this mulched up and ferned up, and see, got a nice little garden out here. Looks pretty good. Look at the color of that tree there. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, exactly.
I think it is. See how much darker that one is. There's the chimney up there. You got all these pretty flowers. Firewood, keep us warm in the winter. And then the chimney. Better view from this side. So that's that cabin. Then we're going to go straight across. Look at that right there. So let's go take a look. Here happens to be actually the other side of this first cabin we just shot. So the flowers around it, and that was the chimney side, of course. So this is just all grass through here, and then of course we got a road right there, so it might be a little noisy. Here's a couple of windows. So again, this is representative of an 1805 cabin, as that sign said. So pretty cool, huh? While we're here, let's just, I'll go get this side over here, and this will give you a 360 of it. Yep, we got a window right there on that side. So there you go. You got to look at the first cabin. Alright, so read this one, Nicodemus cabin. You see, it's around 1811. So see, it says it believed it had a sleeping loft. Pretty cool, huh? Here it is, right there. Back up here and get you the whole, there you go. You can get the whole chimney there. You can see this side's got the front door on it, and the shutters for the window there. Got the big thick chinking again. Got a little birdhouse here on the side. And then, I don't know why these two people keep following me around, but they won't leave me alone. Somebody help me.
We're your stalkers, that's why.
Look, this one wants to be a star, so she is now a star on YouTube. Hey, ma'am, what's your name? I'm going to make you famous on YouTube.
No.
So we need to know your name, your date of birth, your social security number, a couple of credit cards, you know. Anyway, you see we have a window back here, and you see there in the middle the upper floor joist going through. And then on this side we got one window and the roof up there, and there's a firewood thing there, and a little garden. Got these thistles here. Pretty neat, huh? That's the fire department over there. But we'll keep going, and we got some bigger houses to look at here. All right, so see, we got this little pedestal water fountain here. Kind of a neat thing. See that pedal down there? Let's see if it works. Here, watch. There, we got water. See down there, my foot's on the thing. So yes, it works. Pretty neat looking little thing, ain't it? Alright, so here, you see this real fast. This is the Ankeny house. I'll show you the sign in a minute. I just wanted to get it back here so you can see it. Walk up here, come up to the sign. You see it's circa 1828. So go ahead and pause that, read that, and you can see that this thing, wow, this two-story log home along with 210 acres of land in 1830 was $946.66. I can almost afford that.
Less than $1,000. 2-story long.
But here's you a closer up of the upstairs.
There, those ones back in that 2-story. You got the whole floor.
So you can see there's a couple of doors on this thing. See, it's got a really nice porch. But here, just take you up closer and show you. There's one of the front doors. You got a window here, these shutters. Making a house of 1828. Again, you see the thick chinking in all these walls and these thick logs and stuff. Pretty cool. And then here is the other door. Yeah, made just like that, and then another window, and they've got a swing right here. So here, let me take you for a swing, okay? Here, we got somebody out there ringing a bell and making noise. All right, so now we're swinging on the porch. Do you feel like you're swinging? Watching this video? I hope you do, because that's the goal. Hear the birds. All right, pretty cool. Let me take you out here to the side of this and get out of the sun. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So that's that, and then we'll just go around and I'll show you the back of it. Wow. Pretty impressive, huh? So, you know, I almost have to wonder, you know, was this the original structure, this little part? And then, of course, then they added on this bigger one. As time and money, I know that's usually how it worked, availed itself to you. So you can see we got a couple of windows downstairs and the door. And upstairs there's a couple more windows. So you get you some airflow through here. Here's the wood pile here. Keep yourself warm. And as we work our way back around this side, I'll walk out here to get you the whole view of this side of the house. And there we go, we've got that. So that's the Ankeny house. And it looks like we got just one more, I believe. First of all, take a look at this. That's an up close one I got from the ground there. But look at them up here in the tree. Are these buckeyes? If anybody knows if that's a buckeye tree, tell me in the comments so I know.
I think it is. I've never seen pictures, but I think it has those shapes of leaves.
Alright, so here's the last house here. See that nice light post. So we'll come around and show you the sign. It's Philip Harshman house. It's circa 1804. He arrived at Beaver Creek Township from Maryland in 1803. He led his estate to 400 acres and cut timber for this log house. He returned to Maryland and married Frances Fanny Dernbaugh in 1804, and I'll let you read the rest on your own. How cool is this? So you got that big old house, you got this nice porch right here, you got a good view of it. You see it says Harshman House 1803 on here. They built a cellar to this thing right over there. You can see some of the stuff they got laid out here to demarcate it. Got just a couple of benches. Here's the roof here for the porch. Got a door. Now this one, see, it's got the biggest windows and shutters here on both sides. So this was a bigger one. Got a stump here for you to sit on if you want that. As we come out on this side, here's the chimney, you can see. And here I will back up and get you all of it from this side, and there we go. All right, that should look pretty good to you right there. Let's go around. See it from the back here, and this thing's got all these green little berries all over it, both these bushes. But here, see, we got a window here and a window up top. That is a lot of rock in that chimney. Here we got the back. So here, let me just take you around. Look at these little bluish purplish flowers. Aren't those pretty cool? They're tiny, super tiny. Okay, some dummy drew a face on the door. Here, I'm gonna back up and see. Yeah, there we go. There's the whole house from the back. So you can see the door. Got a window there, a window there, a window there, and a window there. Big tall shutters. And see, as I come and turn around, see, got the flowers here. This little arbor here to walk through to your backyard. Some more flowers here that they're planting. And see, they've got a rock path right here, which would be pretty normal, I would think. And then again, look, I just can't believe what people do, but there it is. And look at this old looking handle here. That'll show you the size of it. How cool is that? We like it. And here, I'm going to take you around. Look at this other side, and that'll be the end of it. You see, that's that Ankeny house right there. You see on this side now. There you go. You got the whole house and the cellar right there that they've added onto this thing. So that's the whole house, and that's the whole park. Hope you've enjoyed this. I really have. This is pretty cool. And I did discover that that is a buckeye tree over there. So if you answered that, thank you. But that's definitely what it is. All right. Stick around, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe, blah, blah, blah. I will see you on the next one. Take care of yourself. All right, so take a look at this side of the first sign here. And that'll show you what's going on. So you can pause it, zoom in a little bit, and read it. You see the pictures there of the houses and this barn that I learned is a part of this. So I'm going to be adding this, so hang on. All right, so take a look at this barn here. You see how big this thing is. We got a sign right here, so I'm going to give that to you and show it. The Tobias Zimmer barn, circa 1858. So take a look. Pretty cool, huh? Let's just walk around and look. And this one, they got a real window here. And there's another one on this side. Let me just show you in this window here. Okay, yeah, they got this concreted and everything. So this definitely ain't the way it normally was, but hopefully, here, if I put this up to that, hopefully you can see something. Yeah, you can see something. Not so much dirt over here, so yeah. There we go. Just take a look at that and see what you think. And then I missed the back side of the sign, so let's take a look at that and see. As you can see, these people are still following me right here to the end. It's nuts. So here you can see, you know, some of the history of this thing. Right there it was. For every scalp minus 100, he was penalized 3 cents.
Yeah, because they were killing.
Oh, squirrels.
Yeah, because they destroyed the corn.
Okay, so there you go. Poor squirrels used to be outlawed in Ohio. You got proof right here.
You had to kill your quota of 100.
You see, they put that up there, says nice. All right, so that's the barn. See it up close and personal. Not too bad.